impressed me the most wasn't the projects, it was the people.
Yes, I agree.
I trusted you, and I very quickly trusted Chris and the company. And that's, I think, the magic of Alpha 7 Energy. We're not the biggest, we're not the best, but our investors become part of our family. And when we've had some hard time, we've had some tough times as a business. We have been resilient, and we've had fortitude, and we've pushed through.
Absolutely.
And that's what I'm proud of the most. It's not the oil production, it is the people, and it is our investors. They come absolute at the top.
They do.
And they become part of an extension of our ASE family.
Absolutely. And we know them all very well by first name, by last name. We've met the majority of them face to face, had lunches, dinners with them.
A lot of them come over here, don't they?
A lot of them come here, or if they're here from the USA, you know, they get that touch, and they get full access to the actual owners, us, and you know, we have an open door policy, so it's exciting, and we're building something long term, and we're looking forward to you know, the future. It was 2017 when we started. You actually gave me a phone call out of the blue. Hadn't spoke to you for a couple of years, and you wanted to get into the oil and gas industry. As you mentioned, mentors. I think one of them is your father-in-law, who I know very well.
My father-in-law has been a great mentor to me. He works with a company that's probably one of the biggest privately held mineral companies in the United States.
There's a pathway that's proven for investors: direct asset ownership, direct access to the owners and partners, and fundamentally, because our interests are aligned, what's good for our company is obviously good for our investors.
We have multiple projects that we can offer investor partners that suit all types of different investors. Some people like much lower risk. Other people are willing to invest into new drill wells, which carries a little bit more risk.
I think the best way to describe Alpha 7 Energy's growth is similar to a bamboo tree. So the last 3, 4, 5, up to 7 years where we are today, we have had some milestones. We've set up operating companies. We've got multiple projects in multiple states in Oklahoma and Texas, but we're just at that point now where we're going to see massive growth. Like anything in life, it does take time to build that solid foundation. We've got the right team, we've got the right market conditions, we've got the correct projects and business model. And now in the next 7 years, we believe, hand on heart, that we're going to see exponential growth.
Company culture at Alpha 7 Energy is something that we've built over the last 7 years. We have a very strong relationship with amongst ourselves as a business, our business partners, and including also our vendors that we use, our service companies that we use on our projects, the wells that we're drilling, the oil fields that we're developing, but more importantly, our investor partners. We have a culture within the company that we put our investors first, and you know, obviously, if your investors are happy and they're making returns, then that has a snowball effect to building the company to where we really want to take it over the next 5 to 10 years.
What we're looking at doing specifically with our Parker Feed project is for every barrel of oil that we produce, we actually will plant 2 trees. So this is not only going to be carbon neutral project, it's actually going to have a positive impact on the environment. It's like an alignment of interest. When you've got market conditions, you've got the right projects, you've got the right partners, we've got the right know-how. When you're building a business, like I'm a builder by trade, back in the UK I was a builder, everything that we do is intentional. Everything that we do is about the best interests of our wider community. And that's what excites me. The people, the passion, the projects, where we're going, and our vision is clearer than ever before. So that's what excites me the most, the people, the passion, the projects, and our investors.